Hi, I'm Kamini Patel. Welcome to Britannia Dessert Carnival. Today's recipe is going to be an apricot orange loaf cake. So I'm going to start by chopping the apricots. I have half a cup of dried apricots. I'm going to chop them into small, tiny chopped bits. So I'm going to put this back in the bowl. And I'm going to add 2 tablespoons of orange juice to it. So I want this to soak for a little bit, and until then I can start my batter. So this cake has the use of whole wheat flour, which is why I call it the ideal breakfast cake. I use about 1/4 cup of soft butter and 1/4 cup of brown sugar. And to that I add 2 teaspoons of honey. Now you can use an electric whisk if you like, but I don't mind the hand whisk. It gives me a good arm workout. And it doesn't take much time if your butter is nice and soft. So now I can add my 1 egg and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And now I'm going to add my orange zest. I would go for an entire orange, along with some milk. Now that the ingredients have combined, I'm going to carefully add half a teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon baking powder, and baking soda. And lastly, 1.5 cups of whole wheat flour. Give it a few whisks just to combine. And last, I'm going to fold in the apricots, which have been soaking in the orange juice. I don't want to over combine it. I'm just going to pour it out onto my loaf mold. So this is ready to go into a preheated oven of 180 degrees Celsius for about 25 minutes or until the skewer comes out clean. So this loaf is ready, and all it needs is a sprinkling of powdered sugar on top. So I hope you like this recipe. Don't forget to like, share and comment on the video, and subscribe to the channel to see more of Britannia Dessert Carnival recipes.